ArbitrageScanner is one of the best arbitrage tools I know. I've been getting good response from people that make use of this ArbitrageScanner. This is Arbitrage perpetuals. Oh my god. This Arbitrage perpetual actually make these two unique among every other arbitrage tools. You rarely see arbitrage tool that will give you this kind of arbitrage opportunity. Using futures and spot to spot arbitrage opportunity, you trade and make crazy profits. Many people don't know that most times the same crypto may have different price from spots and futures. But if you don't make use of the bots, how will you personally able to figure it out manually? This person opened trade by 10:24 a.m. and closed the trade by 12:07 p.m. and able to make this amount of money. See client's February transaction as at February $1,659 in only 2 days. Look at this. Look at this. See, crazy profit. Multiple times now, I've made video on ArbitrageScanner, how you can use it to scan crypto arbitrage opportunity, how the tools can automate the process for you, then trade and make money. Today, I still want to open your eyes to another feature of this ArbitrageScanner. To me personally, ArbitrageScanner is one of the best arbitrage tools I know. I've been getting good response from people that make use of this ArbitrageScanner. But today, I still want to open your eyes to another feature that this tool have. If you come to this place now, you see main, subscription, funding rate, AI assistance. Now this place, this is arbitrage products. Click on it. You see this drop down menu, right? First one is ArbitrageScanner. I know you are used to this one. I've shown you multiple times on how ArbitrageScanner works. Now today I want to show you about this. This is Arbitrage perpetuals. Oh my god. This Arbitrage perpetual actually make these two unique among every other arbitrage tools. Okay, let me click on it. Now look at it. Overall profit 99.86%. Now look at this one. Let me pause it. Click on do not update. 118.81% profit. You trade this BDX USDT. You buy from MEXC futures at $0.080552 and sell at Gates. That is Gate.io. You sell at the spot future in Gate.io. You will see this rate there, 0.17644. Look at the profit difference. Okay, let me show you something. Come to this place. You see these settings? Okay, now come to, you can filter it out based on exchange to buy from, exchange for selling. You can filter it out based on the exchange you have account with. Then you'll be seeing crypto arbitrage opportunity from there. Another thing is this. Come here. You see this white filters? Click it. Now look at the strategy. Click on it. Now you see opportunity to see arbitrage opportunity from futures to futures, from futures to sports, then from sports to futures. You rarely see arbitrage tool that will give you this kind of arbitrage opportunity. Using futures and spot to spot arbitrage opportunity, you trade and make crazy profits. Okay, let's go down again. Let's still see more opportunity. Let me allow it. I want to put it 5 seconds. Let's see. Let me pause this one. Now look at this one. Look at the trading pair. Vary USDT. Look at the overall profit. 17.48%, 17.45%, 17.41%, and so on. The trading is very simple. You buy Vary at Gate.io under the spot. You buy at this rate, then you go sell it at Bitget futures interface at this rate. Now look at the price difference, then you get your profit. Now look at this one. You buy from Gate.io under spot at this rate, 0.004857, and inside the same Gate.io, but under the futures, you go sell the same crypto there at this rate. The rate is different. Maybe you don't know. That is one of the reasons I love this ArbitrageScanner.io. Many people don't know that most times the same crypto may have different price from spots and futures. But how many crypto do you want to be searching one by one? If not the opportunity of this arbitrage tool. At least in this my channel, I've shown you guys more than 5 arbitrage tools. But out of all arbitrage tools, no one can compete with this one I'm showing you here. ArbitrageScanner.io. See opportunities. Within Gate.io, another Gate.io, Gate.io, Bing X, MEXC. See opportunity. So which means every 1 minute to 2 minutes, there are many arbitrage opportunities. But if you don't make use of the bots, how will you personally able to figure it out manually yourself? A client open position at 10:24 a.m. and fully closed the trade at 12:07 p.m. in the same day. The profit on the KuCoin side is $176.15, which completely offsets the technical loss on the MEXC side of $104.46. So the total net profit now in combination was $71.69. Don't forget, this person opened trade by 10:24 a.m. and closed the trade by 12:07 p.m. and able to make this amount of money. Yes, using ArbitrageScanner.io, they achieved this. That is not all. See clients' February transaction as at February, $1,659 in only 2 days. Look at this. Look at this. See, crazy profit. See, you see. Are you guys seeing? Many people don't know that there is arbitrage opportunity from spot to futures. You buy from spot, you sell it in futures. Look at it. Look at this one too. They short it. So you can see. Don't be surprised why I paid for the premium membership with this Arbitrage Scanner, because I see a lot of opportunity there easily. Look at this one now. You buy from KuCoin futures and sell at Gate.io, then I make 119.78% profits. Imagine. Let me show you my own subscription here. Come to this place, click on subscriptions. Now this subscription I'm currently running, that is platinum. So I usually encourage people, it's not compulsory. If you can go for platinum, you will enjoy the package because it has a lot of benefits, a lot compared to every other one. And there's still more opportunity with this. If you buy their premium using my promo code, which I'll put on the screen here, then I'll put it in the pinned comment and description to this video. If you make use of the promo code, you are going to get double subscription. For instance, if you pay for 1 month, you will get 2 months extra free. And if you pay for 6 months, you will get a year free subscription. That is if you make use of the promo code I'll put on the screen and the pinned comment. Apart from that, the higher the duration of the subscription, the lower the subscription rates per month. Apart from that, if you go for this platinum, it has a lot of benefit here. You can also study it on your phone, read through it. It has a lot. And if you have complaint or inquiry about the system, you have access to their support 247 here. You see this WhatsApp and this is Telegram. You can click on any of these to connect with the support. That is not all. This is AI assistant. You can click it. Then here you can ask anything related to crypto or whatever here. Very cool. Oh, come on. My own subscription self will expire by June. I love this too. I don't joke with it. Please, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, give me a like on this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then help us to share this. There are many people outside there actually looking for hope of getting tools like this. I think this is going to be good news for them if you can send it to them. You have questions about this, please drop it for me in the comment section and I will respond to that as soon as possible. So guys, these 2 videos very important. I want you guys to go watch them. So till next time, see you guys in my next videos.